Assalamu Alikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I am Muhammad Shahid and today I'm going to discuss Chinese drama clip, and in that clip we are going to talk about 3 sentences, and I'm going to practice those sentences for you while writing, and you will listen to the Chinese drama dialogue, and you will practice Chinese this way. I'm also going to talk about a modal particle. This is the modal particle, and this is an auxiliary, and I'll explain this later in this lecture, okay? So we are going to discuss these 3 sentences today, and let's just pronounce it first. Then you'll watch a Chinese drama clip, and after that I will write all of these sentences in front of you and along with Pinyin, okay? So the first sentence is 我们认识吗?我们认识吗? Do we know each other? Okay? 我们 means we, 认识 means to know, and ma is a particle which is used at the end of a sentence to make a sentence interrogative. Okay, सवालिया बनाने के लिए जुमले को हम ये लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल करते हैं जुमले के आखिर में. वमन रनशमा, क्या हम एक दूसरे को जानते हैं? Okay, now the second sentence is 谁不认识你啊? 谁不认识你啊? Who doesn't know you? Who doesn't know you? तुम्हें कौन नहीं जानता? Okay, the meaning of this sentence is तुम्हें कौन नहीं जानता? Who doesn't know you? I will talk about this last modal or final particle or an auxiliary that is used at the end of a Chinese sentence, and I'll also talk about the role of this modal particle at the end of a Chinese sentence in the upcoming slide. 我打个招呼. 我 means I, 打个招呼. 打招呼 means to greet someone, to say hello to someone. 我打个招呼. किसी को सलाम दुआ करना, इसके लिए 打招呼 इस्तेमाल होता है. 打个招呼, मैंने सिर्फ सलाम दुआ की, मैंने सिर्फ hello कहा. Now I will proceed towards the next slide and talk about this modal particle a at the end of a Chinese sentence. Here is the explanation part for this modal particle a, also known as final particle. There are many uses of this particle but no exact meaning, but the role of this is very important in a Chinese sentence, okay? So native Chinese use this particle a lot in their sentences, and it is often added to the end of a sentence to make the tone of the sentence stronger, make it more conversational, and to show enthusiasm and excitement of the speaker. जब आप किसी जुमले में इस लफ्ज़ का इस्तेमाल करते हैं आखिर में, जो कि मकामी चीनी लोग करते हैं, और इसका मतलब ये होता है कि आप पुरजोश है या गर्मजोशी या वलवले के साथ किसी बात का तज़किरा करते हैं जबकि आप बोल रहे होते हैं, तो उस गर्मजोशी या पुरजोशी या उस वलवले को ज़ाहिर करने के लिए इस लफ्ज़ को आखिर में फिफ्थ टोन के साथ लिखा जाता है. It is used with the fifth tone mark, okay? It has also other tone marks, but here when we use it at the end of a Chinese sentence, mostly they use it with the fifth tone. Just like this sentence, you can see 这个地方太美丽了. 这个地方太美丽了. This place is so beautiful. ये जगह बहुत खूबसूरत है. So it shows the excitement of the speaker. उस गर्मजोशी को ज़ाहिर कर रहा है जो बोलने वाले के अंदाज में है, जो उसके जज्बात है उसको ज़ाहिर कर रहा है. वो उस जगह की खूबसूरती को और अपनी एहसासात को बयान कर रहा है. So 这个地方太美丽了. This place is so beautiful. ये जगह बहुत खूबसूरत है. So this is all about the modal particle a, and now just move ahead to watch the Chinese drama clip and after that I will write each and every sentence in front of you along with the opinion. Enjoy the drama clip. See you in the writing part.
我们认识吗？
谁不认识你啊？我打个招呼。
So let's start our writing practice now. The first sentence is我们认识吗？我们认识吗？ Okay, this is how we write it, and the English meaning of this sentence is, do we know each other? In Urdu, we can write it like this: क्या हम एक दूसरे को जानते हैं? Now the second sentence is谁不认识你啊？谁不认识你啊？ This ah has a fifth tone. In English, we can say, who doesn't know you? In Urdu, we can say, तुम्हें कौन नहीं जानता? यानी तुम्हें तो सब पहचानते हैं. 谁不认识你啊? Now let's write the final sentence. 我打个招呼。我打个招呼。我打个招呼。我打个招呼。In English, we can say, I just said hello. मैंने सिर्फ हेलो कहा. मैंने सिर्फ हेलो कहा या मैंने सिर्फ सलाम दुआ की. So this was all about the writing practice, and this is it.